For decades, Boeing and Airbus ruled the skies, but now a new challenger is rising: China. Chinese aviation is no longer about copying, it's about innovation and ambition, with a full ecosystem of aircraft emerging. Today we're counting down 15 groundbreaking Chinese planes that are shaking up the world of aviation. From commercial airliners to stealth fighters and amphibious giants, each tells a story of shifting global power. Let's break down the tech, the purpose, and the impact of each one. Ready? Let's get started. Number 15, the COMAC C919. Challenges the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. Designed for China's booming aviation market, the C919 aims to capture billions. It's a national strategy for aerospace independence, already flying with China Eastern Airlines and racking up domestic orders. The airframe is a major domestic achievement. The C919's entry into service marks a new era where China is now a competitor, the centerpiece of China's push to become a top-tier aerospace power. The Xian Y-20, China's answer to the C-17 Globemaster, can haul tanks, troops, or supplies across continents, crucial for a military with global ambitions. The Y-20's wide body and ability to operate from rough runways make it a logistics game-changer. Newer models now feature Chinese-made WS-20 engines, a leap toward true aerospace independence. The Y-20 isn't just a plane, it's a symbol of China's growing reach. Number 13 is the AVIC AG-600 Kunlong, one of the world's largest amphibious aircraft. It can take off and land on both runways and open water, making it invaluable for firefighting and maritime rescue. The AG-600 can scoop up 12 tons of water in seconds or rescue dozens at sea, even in rough conditions. With a range over 4,500 kilometers, it can patrol vast ocean areas and reach remote islands. Its unique design blends aerodynamics and hydrodynamics, a true engineering feat. The AG-600 fills a niche no other aircraft does, giving China a strategic edge in maritime operations. It's a testament to China's expanding aerospace ambitions. At 12, the COMAC ARJ-21 was China's first modern regional jet, a trailblazer for the industry. Designed for smaller cities and less trafficked routes, it connects regions that bigger jets can't serve profitably. The ARJ-21's development was tough, but it laid the groundwork for future projects like the C919. Now in service with multiple airlines, it's boosting domestic connectivity and economic growth. Its design blends proven elements with new tech like advanced wings and modern avionics. The ARJ-21 proved China could design, build, and certify its own passenger jet. It's the essential first step in China's commercial aviation journey, the foundation for what's next. Number 11 is the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's fifth-generation stealth fighter. Built for stealth and long-range power, it rivals the F-22 and F-35, shifting the balance of air power in Asia. Its sharp angles, radar-absorbent skin, and internal weapons bays make it nearly invisible to radar. Advanced radar, sensor fusion, and super maneuverability give it a lethal edge. New domestic engines promise true supercruise capability. The J-20 is more than hardware, it's a symbol of China's aerospace ambitions. It's a statement: China can compete at the highest level. The skies just got a lot more interesting. At 10, the Shenyang FC-31 Gyrfalcon is China's export-oriented stealth fighter. Smaller and more versatile than the J-20, it's aimed at countries seeking fifth-gen tech without Western strings attached. The FC-31 is a direct challenge to the F-35's global dominance, offering advanced capabilities at a lower cost. It's designed for multi-role missions, air combat, ground attack, and even carrier operations. Publicly showcased at air shows, it's evolving fast, with new prototypes and potential naval versions. The FC-31's export success will test China's aerospace credibility on the world stage. It's a bold move to become a global arms supplier. The Gyrfalcon is China's bid for the international fighter market. Number 9 is the Xian H-6N, a modernized strategic bomber with roots in the Soviet Tu-16. Its biggest upgrade? Aerial refueling, giving it near unlimited range to strike targets across the Pacific. The H-6N can carry massive air-launched missiles, including anti-ship and hypersonic weapons. It's a cost-effective way to extend China's strategic reach and deter adversaries. The H-6N turns an old airframe into a modern launch platform for advanced standoff weapons. It's a key player in China's anti-access strategy. While a stealth bomber is in the works, the H-6N is a smart, powerful interim solution. Old bones, new teeth. Number 8 is the Harbin Z-20, China's answer to the Black Hawk. This medium-lift helicopter is the backbone of China's Army aviation, built for everything from troop transport to medevac. Its fly-by-wire controls and high-altitude performance make it ideal for China's diverse terrain, including the Tibetan Plateau. The Z-20 replaces a patchwork of older helicopters with a modern, standardized platform. Variants for naval and rescue missions are already in service, showing its adaptability. The Z-20 is becoming ubiquitous across China's military. It's a reliable modular workhorse for decades to come, a foundation for modern operations. At 7, the AVIC MA700 is China's latest regional turboprop, built for short-haul efficiency. Competing with the ATR-72 and Dash 8, it's a clean-sheet design with modern tech and fly-by-wire controls. Powered by Pratt & Whitney engines, it carries up to 90 passengers and targets fast-growing markets in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The MA700 is part of a family of regional aircraft, complementing jets like the ARJ-21. Despite some delays, its first flight was a milestone for China's regional aviation ambitions. The MA700 is about connecting communities and expanding China's export reach. It's a new contender in the global turboprop market, regional travel reimagined. Number 6 is the Xian MA60, a rugged turboprop serving remote regions in developing countries. Based on the Antonov An-24, it's built for rough airfields and low-cost operations. The MA60 has helped launch domestic air services in dozens of nations, often as part of Chinese aid packages. It's a tool of soft power, opening doors for China's aviation industry abroad. While it lacks Western certification and has a mixed safety record, it's been a stepping stone for China's export strategy. The MA60 made air travel accessible where it wasn't before. It's the first generation of China's aviation exports. At 5, the Guizhou JL-9 is China's advanced jet trainer and light attack aircraft. It bridges the gap between basic trainers and frontline fighters, preparing pilots for high-speed, complex combat. Derived from the J-7, it's been modernized with new wings, avionics, and better visibility. The JL-9 is cost-effective, reliable, and can be armed for light combat roles. Exported as the FTC-2000, it's found buyers in Africa and Asia. The JL-9 is a smart dual-purpose platform for training and light attack. It's a key part of China's pilot pipeline. Number 4 is the Hongdu L-15 Falcon, a high-performance lead-in fighter trainer. Developed with Russian input, it features digital fly-by-wire and can simulate the flight of top-tier fighters. The L-15 comes in trainer and light attack variants with supersonic speed and advanced radar. It's a direct competitor to Western trainers and has already scored export wins, including the UAE. The L-15 is a world-class trainer and light fighter showing China's ability to compete globally. It's the final step before pilots graduate to stealth jets. Training for the future. At 3, the AVC Wing Loong II is China's answer to the MQ-9 Reaper, a medium-altitude, long-endurance combat drone. It can fly for over 30 hours, carrying sensors and precision weapons for surveillance and strike missions. The Wing Loong II is widely exported, offering advanced drone capabilities at a lower price and with fewer restrictions than Western models. It's been used extensively in conflicts across the Middle East and Africa. The drone's success is built on capability and accessibility. The Wing Loong II has democratized drone warfare. China is now a superpower in unmanned systems. Number 2 is the CH-5 Rainbow, a heavyweight drone with unmatched endurance and payload. It can stay aloft for up to 60 hours and carry over a ton of sensors and weapons. The CH-5 can coordinate drone swarms and act as a flying command center. It's marketed as a top-tier UCAV, rivaling or exceeding Western counterparts at a lower cost. The CH-5 is changing military doctrines worldwide, making advanced aerial power accessible to more nations. It's the pinnacle of China's combat drone technology. The future of warfare is unmanned. And at number 1, the AVIC AC-313, the largest civilian helicopter ever built in China. This heavy-lift chopper can carry 27 passengers or 5 tons of cargo, even at extreme altitudes. Certified for operations on the Tibetan Plateau, it's a world-class achievement for high-altitude performance. The AC-313 is vital for disaster relief, firefighting, offshore support, and construction in remote areas. By building it domestically, China gains self-reliance for critical civil missions. The AC-313 is a quiet revolution in civil aviation. It's a symbol of technological progress and national capability. 15 aircraft, one story. a seismic shift in global aviation. China is no longer just catching up, it's innovating and competing across every sector. From stealth fighters to regional jets and drones, these planes are reshaping the industry. The sky is no longer a two-horse race, and that's good for innovation. Which aircraft impressed you most? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more on aviation and tech breakthroughs. Thanks for watching. See you next time.